Hi, let's create this beautiful 3D pop-out image in Canva completely free. Let's start. First, open Canva and choose any size you want. Once you land on the canvas, upload the images you'll need for this design. Now for the phone-in-hand image. Canva has elements, but most of them are not free. So you can download a phone-in-hand image from Google instead. And remove the background using a free background remover website. Since Canva's background remover is paid, I'm using this free website here. You can use it to make your image transparent. Okay, now let's create. First, add a very light background to your canvas. Then place your main image on top. Next, add the hand with phone image. And carefully adjust your photo inside the phone screen. After that, round the corners of the image so it fits naturally inside the phone. Now upload the same image again, but this time the transparent version, and align it perfectly over the phone. And that's it. You've created your 3D pop-out effect. Download your design, and it's ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.